Have you ever wondered why almost every planet we see in the universe is round? Why gravity always seems to sculpt matter into perfect spheres, as if shape itself were predetermined? Have you ever questioned why the universe expands at exactly the rate it does, not so fast that matter flies apart before stars can form, and not so slow that everything collapses back into nothing? Or why the moon appears almost exactly the same size as the sun in our sky, allowing for total eclipses that are not only beautiful, but strangely precise? When you start lining these facts up, something about them feels unsettling. Why do so many independent conditions land so cleanly in place? Why does reality look less like chaos and more like a system tuned just tightly enough to work? What if the universe only looks perfect because we happen to live in one of the very few versions where anyone can notice it at all? Look around. We breathe an atmosphere with just the right pressure, on a planet spinning at just the right speed, orbiting a star calm enough to burn steadily for billions of years. Is that design? Destiny? Or did we simply win a cosmic lottery that almost no one ever gets to play? In this video, we're going to rewind everything back to 1 second after the Big Bang, when the universe was still a blazing soup of particles and forces, just beginning to settle into place. From there, we'll follow the trail of a few strange numbers in physics, explore ideas like the multiverse and simulated realities, and confront the unsettling logic behind the anthropic principle, all in plain language. Because maybe the universe isn't perfect in the way we like to imagine. Maybe it's just barely good enough tuned, not for beauty or meaning, but for a fragile kind of life. To flicker on for a moment, look up at the sky, and ask a dangerous question. Why am I here at all? By the end, you won't just understand why physicists obsess over certain mysterious constants. You'll have to face a harder thought. If we rolled the dice of the universe again, would you still exist? If you've ever stared into the night sky and felt that something is either very wrong or very right about all of this, stay with me. This video is for that feeling. That feeling that something is either very wrong or very right about all of this is not new. What changed, over time, was not the sky itself, but the story we told about where we stand under it. For most of human history, the universe felt small enough to hold in a story. The land beneath your feet was a disk, or a mountain, or a great boat